Good morning, Miss Benson, Miss Hayes, students, parents, and staff. I'll be saying a poem called If I Could Sing Songs of Freedom. If I could sing songs of freedom, Rosa Parks would sit in the front of the bus. If I could sing songs of freedom, Dr. King will sing, We shall overcome. If I could sing songs of freedom, Trayvon will be 23 years old and alive today. If I could sing songs of freedom, I would help Harriet Tubman sing Sweet Lord, sweet chariot, coming forth to carry me home. If I could sing songs of freedom, my song of freedom made me a free boy like Benjamin Banneker, who was only born to slave parents. If I could sing songs of freedom, I would sing like Bob Marley. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? They say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help me sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause I ever had redemption songs, redemption songs, redemption songs.